What if one of the most loving things you could do for your family is make decisions about your funeral before they ever have to? Because when a death happens, families can suddenly be faced with dozens of decisions, often while they're shocked, grieving, and under pressure to act quickly. But funeral pre-planning can change that. It can help protect your family from difficult decisions, unnecessary conflict, and financial pressure, while making sure your final wishes are clearly understood. Welcome to the Funeral Channel Network, brought to you by the Funeral Program site. Today, we're talking about funeral pre-planning, what it is, why it matters, and how planning ahead can become one of the greatest gifts of peace you leave your family. We'll look at how pre-planning can reduce financial pressure, prevent disagreements between loved ones, give you more control over your final arrangements, and allow your family to focus on remembering your life rather than trying to figure out what you would have wanted.
We spend decades drafting blueprints for our lives. We meticulously allocate funds for college tuition, map out 4-decade-long retirement strategies, and schedule family vacations down to the hour. We are a society obsessed with preparation. Yet, despite all this proactive energy, we actively ignore the one event every single person is guaranteed to experience. We avoid discussing or planning for the end of our lives. By procrastinating this specific task, we take an inevitable life event and turn it into a logistical crisis. When we refuse to plan ahead, the responsibility doesn't disappear. It falls squarely onto the shoulders of surviving loved ones, exactly when they are least equipped to handle it. In the immediate aftermath of an unexpected death, grieving relatives are thrust into a sudden vacuum. Within a compressed window of just 24 to 48 hours, they have to navigate dozens of difficult, highly specific choices, from selecting a final resting place to coordinating service details. This information vacuum creates immense tension. Without clear instructions from the deceased, families often fracture. Grieving relatives can quickly find themselves debating deeply personal choices, like choosing between a traditional burial and cremation, with no reliable way to know what their loved one actually wanted. And that tension has a steep financial cost. Look at this bar chart comparing funeral expenses. It shows a massive spike in costs when services are purchased under a 48-hour deadline compared to arrangements made years in advance. Caught in a blur of shock and guilt, families often engage in emotional overspending, purchasing highly expensive items they don't actually need. Leaving these arrangements to chance simply transfers the heavy burden of logistics onto a family during their peak moment of emotional trauma. Funeral pre-planning offers a modern, proactive solution. It moves the entire process out of that rushed 48-hour crisis window and into a space of calm, methodical review. When you plan ahead, the ticking clock is gone. You have the freedom to establish a realistic budget, compare pricing across different providers, and weigh your options logically. One of the most effective tools in this process is a prepaid funeral contract. This arrangement allows you to select your exact services and secure them by paying at current market rates. To understand why that matters, we can look at this line graph tracking funeral cost inflation over a 20-year timeline. The industry sees a steep, continuous upward trajectory in pricing, but notice the flat horizontal line bisecting it. That represents a locked-in, prepaid contract, shielding your arrangement from decades of economic inflation. You do have to navigate these contracts carefully. As we pull back to view this checklist, notice the 3 critical variables you must verify: the provider's refund policy, the specific details guaranteed in the contract, and transferability, meaning whether the plan moves with you if you relocate to another state. When executed correctly, financial foresight in funeral planning acts as a highly specialized insurance policy. It preserves family wealth and ensures that significant purchases are governed by logic rather than grief. When the immediate pressure of rigid logistics is removed, families have the space to move away from standardized mourning and toward highly personalized celebrations of life. We are seeing a surge in modern alternatives. Families are increasingly choosing cremation for its flexibility, setting up digital tribute spaces, and exploring natural or green burials that return remains directly to the earth. Proactive planning gives you the runway to design these unique memorial elements. You can select the specific music, readings, and visual tributes that accurately reflect your personality and values. Today, educational resources like the funeral program site help facilitate this exact transition. They provide tools that allow families to design custom memorial programs focused on capturing a unique, vibrant life story rather than conforming to rigid traditions. Pre-planning provides the necessary foundation to break away from one-size-fits-all mourning. It gives you the space to build a customized celebration of a true legacy. Beyond the logistics, a pre-planned funeral functions as a clear, undeniable blueprint for your family when the time comes. Documenting your preferences is an incredibly effective conflict resolution tool. It completely eliminates those painful, stress-induced debates among relatives trying to guess what you would have wanted. With the choices already made, your surviving family members can bypass the logistical negotiations entirely. They can step back from the paperwork and focus their energy entirely on the healing process. The true value of leaving that blueprint behind is the active preservation of family harmony during their most fragile, vulnerable state. When you view it through this lens, organizing your end-of-life arrangements is a profound, proactive act of care for the people you leave behind. You can start the process today by simply having an informal discussion with your family about your basic preferences. Ultimately, taking the time to organize these details creates a legacy of clarity and peace of mind for those left behind.
Funeral pre-planning isn't really about focusing on death. It's about taking care of the people you love while you still have the ability to make those decisions for yourself. You don't have to plan everything today. Start with one conversation. Write down whether you prefer burial or cremation, the kind of service you would want, the music or Bible verses that are meaningful to you, and where your family can find those wishes when they need them. And if you're planning a funeral or preparing memorial materials for yourself or someone you love, visit the funeral program site for funeral program templates, memorial keepsakes, planning resources, and personalized funeral products designed to help families create a meaningful tribute. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who may need to start this conversation with their family. And remember, planning ahead today can give the people you love greater peace tomorrow. As always, I'll see you in the next video.